Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Fire Stick. Today, we're going to show you the newest working method to get unlimited sports on your device. Whether it's ping pong or basketball, this app will work on all your Fire TV devices. So, if you're up for getting more sports than you can handle, just grab your remote and follow this guide, and remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. First, we're going to head to the home screen of your device and make our way across to the search icon. In the search bar, start typing the word downloader, and after a couple of letters, it should appear at the top of the list, so go ahead and click on it. Click on the icon, you can't miss it, it's the big orange one with downloader written on it. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that like and subscribe button, it only takes 2 seconds, but helps out the channel massively. Before we open up Downloader, we need to enable some hidden settings to make it work. So hit the Home button, make your way across to Settings, and then down to the My Fire TV icon. By default, the developer options are hidden. Just enter the About section and tap on the device name 7 times. Hit the back button and you should now see they have been enabled. Once inside, go ahead and click Install Unknown Apps. You can now go ahead and switch the toggle to On for Downloader. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IPTV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IPVanish, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. Once you're back on your home screen, just head over to your newly installed Downloader app. Then, after you've clicked into it, just wait for the app to open, then head up to the search bar at the top. When this screen opens up, you're going to need to type in this code that you see being typed out on your screen. Make sure you type it exactly as you see here, then click on Go when you're done. Just pause the video if you need a little more time. While that downloads, if you need any extra support with our guides, why not consider joining our channel? Members not only get a warm, fuzzy feeling for supporting the channel, they also get cool badges and priority support. Joining costs less than your favorite coffee, and better still, you get my eternal gratitude. Now that's downloaded, just hit install. Before you open the app, just make sure to delete the install files as space can become limited very quickly on these devices. Hit your home button, head to your apps, and voila, enjoy some sports. If you want to learn more ways to stream content on your Fire Stick, check out one of these videos and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for all future guides.